Thanks, Spencer. And stakeholders at Dover Raceway in St. Anne are in a race against time to stage their first Carnival of Speed meet of the year. That's this coming Labor Day, following extensive damage caused by Hurricane Melissa last October, which totaled millions in repair costs. Denise Walters has the details.
Motorsport is very popular in Jamaica and comes with a large following. Prior to the passage of Hurricane Melissa, this was the Dover Raceway on a race meet day. At any given meet, fans come out in their numbers to support their favorite drivers and riders across the different classes. But this is what it looks like now following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. There's extensive damage across the length and breadth of the property.
The only thing not damaged at Dover was the track itself. Everything else is severely impacted.
Several fallen trees across the road. The tower was damaged, walls fell down, several roofs were damaged. The pit area we have, from the timing, we have as far as the doors for all the pit areas were also damaged. Power lines were also torn down. We have several other things that were displaced.
The damage totaled over $10 million.
We got an estimate of repair, and that is in excess of, I believe it was $14 million in repair costs to bring us or to put us back in a position that we really need to be.
So bad was the damage that the Need for Speed meet, traditionally held on Easter Monday, was postponed to Labor Day, May 25. Now, with stakeholders showing no signs of surrendering, despite the massive repair undertaking and operating on a tight schedule, the meet looks set to go ahead in 3 days' time.
Jamaica Race Drivers Club, they have been working assiduously for weeks in preparation of Dover for this coming weekend, and I have high hopes that they will have a successful meet.
The members have put themselves in a position to try and assist us as best as possible. I mean, honestly, it's not enough. We'd love some more assistance, but we're committed to restart. Many of our members are also from Western Jamaica. They were also affected by what is happening. We're still trying to put things in place in order, to get the ball rolling again.
And with the hurricane season set to begin next month through to November, the question is, what will be put in place to ensure the raceway weather any storm that comes its way again?
We now have to consider the type of roofing that we put in place. We have not yet begun repairing all the roofs that needs to be. We just put some temporary stuff in place, but we have to look at more strong and permanent structures that are able to withstand Category 5 hurricanes within the Caribbean. So that is one of our major concerns, so that we will not have to endure such an expense all over again.
And the fans are being encouraged to come out and support as the track is being restored.
We have to persevere and rebuild the sport, get the eyes back on the competition on the tracks, and that brings the sponsors in.
Though not everybody is ready, but still we are putting in place and we're pushing forward as a club together to get the ball rolling again, because we love racing and Jamaicans, they're ready and rearing to go.
The meet is set to get underway at 9 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.